Imagine waking up tomorrow and the king of the jungle is gone. No roars in the savannah, no golden silhouettes under the sunset. Every lion on Earth has vanished overnight. At first, it might feel like just another sad headline, but the ripple effect would shake the natural world, and even us. Lions aren't just animals, they're symbols of strength, culture, and balance. From ancient cave paintings to royal crests, humans have tied their identity to the lion. Losing them overnight would leave a hole in both nature and our imagination. But the real crisis? It begins in Africa's grasslands. Lions are apex predators. Without them, herbivore populations like zebras, wildebeests, and antelopes would explode. These herds would graze too heavily, stripping the savanna of grass. Slowly, the land would degrade, soil would erode, and water systems would collapse. Entire ecosystems would unravel. Because the lions weren't just hunters, they were guardians. With no lions, scavengers like hyenas and vultures would also struggle. They rely on lion kills for food. Meanwhile, smaller predators like leopards and cheetahs might expand at first, but eventually even they would feel the consequences. Too many herbivores mean less forest cover, fewer hiding spots, and ultimately, less prey. The food web would be stretched until it snaps. Now let's talk about us. Safari tourism in Africa generates billions of dollars every year. Tourists don't travel across the world to see zebras alone. They come for lions. Entire economies, jobs, and conservation projects would collapse overnight. And as habitats degrade, farmers and local communities would face crop loss, food scarcity, and more conflict with wildlife. When lions vanish, human stability vanishes too. Beyond science, we'd lose an ancient bond. For thousands of years, lions have been in our myths, religions, and stories. From the Bible to the Lion King, they're woven into human culture. Imagine telling future generations, once there was a creature called a lion, but you'll never see one alive. That's more than extinction. That's erasing a part of human identity. So what would happen if lions vanished overnight? Ecosystems would unravel. Economies would suffer. Culture would lose one of its greatest icons. Lions may be only 20,000 strong in the wild today, but their disappearance would echo across the entire planet. The question isn't just what happens if they vanish, it's what happens if we let it happen.